Hello, this is Keisha the teacher from AHSEK and this is the first installment of 1 Yard Go Hard. Today we're going to be making this crop top and fringe belt ensemble that you can wear to a boat ride, that you can wear to a fete, any party. It's perfect. All right, so first you're going to need your pattern pieces. You need a pattern piece for your crop top. Make sure you insert your dart and your belt pattern piece. And disregard that third piece there. I didn't end up using it. So I only need the crop top and the belt pattern piece. Okay, so I'm just laying out my pattern pieces, making sure that I'm saving as much fabric as possible. Remember, I'm trying to go hard with my 1 yard. You feel me? So I'm laying it out. I'm marking it. And then I'm going to cut it out. I added some seam allowance that I actually didn't even end up needing. But hey, it's better to make it bigger than to have it be small and then it doesn't even fit. So here I am cutting out my my belt, both sides of the belt, and now I'm gonna just fold my fabric so I can just cut out my strips. So yeah, I'm just gonna be eyeballing it. And I'm going to be cutting out all of my strips. Try to get as much as possible because these are going to be, I'm going to use these for my crop top, and I'm also going to be using them for the belt. Okay, so I have my crop top. I cut out 2 here. Because one is going to be a lining, but I'm going to buy a lot of black lining fabric so that I won't have to use the same fabric because this is not going to be reversible. I'm not trying to make this reversible, but for future reference, I'm just going to have a whole bunch of scrap lining so that I won't have to use the same fabric. So I have that, and then I also have my belt. I did not cut out 2. I cut out only 1 because I'm going to be using felt. So let me go ahead and grab the felt real quick. So felt is a really good stabilizer for a lot of, if you want to make your costume jewelry, if you want to make, just accessories. I use this, okay? So that's why I only cut out one of each. So, but let me just go ahead and cut out the felt right now. Alright, so I have all my pieces together. And this is how much scrap I have left over. And what I'm going to try to do after making this project, I'm going to try to come back to the scrap to see what else I can make. What other type of accessories that I can add to this ensemble, or maybe to another outfit. Just to add pieces to my wardrobe and use all of the scrap that I have available to me. Okay, so yeah, the first thing that we're going to do is get the bias binding for this part right here and this part right here, right? So I cut out a lot of strips, and this is how much strips I was able to get cut out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I was able to cut out 9 strips. Now it's not perfect. They all please excuse what the noise in the background. But I think they're doing some lawn work outside. But they're all not the same size. It varies. I'm not trying to get this perfect. Okay, so I was able to get 9 strips that varies in length. Okay. I'm gonna grab the longest one I have because that's going to be the one that's gonna be at the bottom. I don't know if you can see this, at the bottom of my of the crop top. So I'm gonna hold these up and see which one is my longest one. So I want two, and then I want another long one for both my shoulders, right? So this one is going to be one for one arm, and this is going to be one for the other arm. Now I need one for underneath my bust. I would like that one to be long, very long actually, so I might have to join too. Also short. Okay. So I'm going to just take one long one. I'm going to take this one right here. I like the graphicness of this pattern. And put it around me, but I actually want it longer, so I'm going to grab another piece. Oh, this is so thick. It's so thick. I might have to trim it down so that it can match this. Yeah. But anyway, so I'm going to use these two as my underbust strap. I already put aside my straps for my shoulders, and the rest of this has to go for my skirt. They're gonna have to work. So it's not gonna be a long skirt because I only have so much fabric. So if you guys want to make your skirt long, if you want to make it more full, I don't know how this is gonna turn out because I'm doing it right now as we speak. I'm just trying to go hard with my 1 yard. So I'm going to try to make this skirt as full as I could possibly make it with the amount of fabric that I have. I have a little bit of fabric left over, but I'm trying to save it in case I can use it for something else. But if I have to use it, I'm going to use it. And it looks like I might have to use it. Let's just go ahead and keep them long. I'm going to go ahead and keep them long so that it's one continuous sewing project instead of sewing these short little pieces, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over from putting aside my my 2 shoulder straps and my underbust strap to strap my crop top on. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is complete my crop top. One thing I did not do on this pattern that I'm noticing, I did not draw in my dart line. So you guys make sure that you draw your dart line. The next step is to serge or zigzag the whole perimeter. The reason why I'm doing it this way, I feel like it's more universal for everyone. It's universal for the sergers and it's universal for the sewists. So this is the way I'm going to do it. And plus it's still a clean finish. Hey, can't go wrong. So what I'm going to do is serge around this whole entire thing, right? Then you're guys going to see the next steps when I get back. Okay, so I'm just so I decided to make this something that laces up because I was originally just going to have it add 2 strings and have it tie here, tie in the middle, and tie there. I have some eyelets that I'm going to grab in a second. You'll see here in a second that I'm going to just put right here, and I'm just going to lace it through, make one long string and lace them through. So what I'm doing right now is mapping out where I want my eyelets. I hope you guys enjoyed the first installment of One Yard Go Hard Footwear Edition. I absolutely loved how this came out, and trust me, I am going to be wearing this. And when I do, hopefully I get a chance to record it and allow you guys to see how I styled this in real life. But yes, make sure that you like and subscribe and share for more. I have lots more coming up. If there's something specific that you guys like to see from me, let me know. Feel free to go to AHSEK.me.com to see what classes that I offer. I offer courses on how to make wire bras and how to make panties and things for carnival. Okay? So I have lots coming up. I hope you guys enjoyed my first YouTube video. Lots more coming soon.